Hello and welcome to Mr. Make Stuff. Today we're going to show you how to make this K9 police type 8-foot leash. So I've got a few bits that I'm recycling here. So an old leash here with the hook on, the spring hook. So I'm going to cut that away from that. I've got a D-ring and I've got a chain. So the chain I'm going to actually cut and use one of those loops. I might cut a couple of these to use in conjunction with this. And I've got, this is a full leash. I've got another one which is the black type, the training leash, the one you use for longer distance. And what I'm going to do is basically double it up and use that as the main leash itself. You can see it's ripped a couple of times before, so I've doubled and knotted it up here. But that's my two bits there. One's going to be on either end, the hooks, and then I'll have the chain links in between to make it a 4-foot, 8-foot, and even use it in various ways. I might do a separate video to show you how you can use it. There's plenty of videos online. So this doubled up webbing will be a lot stronger, and I'll use it in this kind of way, where I'll double it up and push it through the hook, and then have a secondary D hook here where I can, well, mount the opposite side to. So it will be quite a handy thing to have, especially if you're going out for walks. You won't need multiple leads, and it's a great little addition. I've seen a few of them online, but because I've got quite a few things here, I thought I'd make it myself. So I'll show you a quick look at what it looks like when it's made. So this is the finished product. We've double stitched it with strong thread, and this is also actually used an old belt, a leather belt for the handle. There's Max looking about, thinks we're going for a walk. But yeah, this is a quick look, and then we'll jump to showing you how I made it. So it's great, strong, double webbed leash with the leather handle. So I really like using it now. Max likes it as well because less pull. So basically the chain you're putting in a vise and using a metal saw to cut out one of these complete circles, not circles, ovals. So this is just a full chain that we had in the garage, and these are all things we've already got. So I'll quickly run you through this, a quick saw, and open up one of the links to release the one we're interested in. So let's just cut to that. So yeah, we're using anything metal really to open up the cut that we've made to allow us to pull out the O-ring. I've done something similar for my slip leash we use for training, so there you can see that's completely out, strong and durable. So we'll use that, and here we go, Max again lying down, keeping an eye on us. He likes to go everywhere we go. So there, that's what it looks like when it's cut. Nice clean cut. So this is the webbing. So we basically doubled it up, and we're stitching along each side just to make it stronger. So I'll cut two bits of this because it's not really exciting watching us sew this together, but that's been sewed there. So that's putting in one of the chain links. We've already put in the spring hook on one side. It's basically just looping in and sewing in like we're showing you here. So that's going to secure it in place. Go over it a couple of times. You want it to be strong, and the less space you have, the less likely it is to swivel. So that's one side there, and it looks fairly good. Let's go to the other side. I will crisscross in that space in between just to give it a bit of a stronger feel to it. So we'll just go over one corner to another, and then the opposite corner in the same way. You may want a strong needle for this. We've got a Brother standing machine, so it's actually quite durable and strong in terms of going through multiple materials. We also put a leather handle on here as well from an old belt. So it's just recycling and upcycling what you've already got. This is the opposite side, and we've put the smaller ring hook here. Again, just doubling up on the stitching to make it nice and strong, and corner to corner. And you can see there, that's the machine, and you can see both sides there. But this is what the finished article looks like. Hi, Max. Hello, Max.